Hey everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and we are going to go looking for some patterns. Okay, so we made it to our very first stop, the library. Now I know that I can find some books with some patterns here, but I don't know whether they might have some periodicals, you know, some magazines. We'll see what we can find. Let's go. Okay, so I was able to find books in the library that had patterns, lots and lots of books, but I wasn't able to find any magazines. I think they've all gone electronic. So that's okay. I can look at electronic magazines with my library card, but I don't have that set up. So I haven't done that. But I did get to see the beautiful courtyard on a beautiful day downtown. So that's kind of nice. All right, let's go check out, let's try Ollie's. They usually have some really good books with really inexpensive prices. So we'll check out Ollie's next and see if we find anything there. Okay, so here I am at Michael's, and we're gonna see what they've got inside here. I know they have pattern books, but sometimes they've got the little freebies, and of course they've got ball bands, right? So let's go see what we can find. So all kinds of patterns can be found for free. And there's a couple here I might just take. Like this one. And this one. Free. Okay, so another great way to find free patterns is you have your ball of yarn, and a lot of times the picture that is on the ball band is also a pattern on the opposite side of the label. So you can see right here it says free pattern on the label. So when you take this off, the ball band off, there's the pattern. Pretty cool. Hope I'm not too close. Let's see if we can find another one. Free pattern. Free pattern. Okay, so I just found some more free stuff. So if we look at this Loops and Threads ad, more free patterns. Pretty cool. Cool. Okay, so it's time for a little tea break. Got my tea, and I did stop at the magazine rack at Michael's, and at first when I saw the prices of the magazines, I was kind of like, what? $10 for a magazine? But then when I noticed that there are over 40 patterns in here, I did the math, and that comes out to $1/4 a pattern, so 25 cents a pattern. That's a really good deal, and a lot of the patterns are really, really cute. So I would still say that that falls in the category of inexpensive outside ways to find patterns. Just my opinion. IMO. In my opinion. Cheers. Okay, so last stop is Ollie's. I thought I was going to go to Ollie's earlier, but it was on the way. So this is the last stop at Ollie's, and I'm gonna go see if I can find some inexpensive crochet pattern books. The chances are slim, but you never know. Ollie's sometimes has yarn and fun stuff like that, so we'll see. Let's check it out. Okay, so right off the bat, I found a Simply Sweet crochet book, and it's all like little girls' hats. It's really cute, lots of patterns. Oh, I guess there's baby hats in there too, not just for girls, but mostly, mostly for girls. $2.99 for that one. So they also had a lot of knitting books,
This like is a serious hardcover thick book for $8, so can't really beat that price. If you're a knitter, other knitting books available too. Darn it, all knitting stuff. Oh well. Maybe there'll be more crochet stuff there in the future. They certainly have lots and lots of craft books available. So, just one crochet one this time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little road trip with me, driving around trying to find some patterns on the cheap. You know what they say about whippy chicks? They say cheap, 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 cheap. And that about sums me up. So, yeah, hope you had a great time. Hope you learned something new and hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.